Have you ever judged someone too quickly? We all do it. But what if the bad things you see in others are actually just a reflection of yourself? Listen to this short story until the end. It holds a powerful secret that will completely change how you look at the people around you forever. Once upon a time, Clara and her husband David moved into a beautiful new house. Clara was a meticulous woman. She liked everything to be perfect, and above all, she liked everything to be very, very clean. One morning, as they were eating breakfast by their large kitchen window, Clara looked outside. She saw her new neighbor, an older woman named Mrs. Hayes, hanging washed clothes on a line in the yard. Clara frowned. "Look at those clothes, David," she said. "They are not clean at all. They look grey and dirty. She clearly doesn't know how to wash clothes right. Maybe she uses bad soap." David just kept reading his newspaper. He took a slow sip of his coffee and didn't say a word. This became a routine. Every few days, Clara saw the neighbor hanging clothes. And every time, Clara complained. "It is sad," Clara would say. "If I had the time, I would go over there and teach her how to wash. It is really not that hard to do it right." Exactly 1 month later, Clara sat by the window with her morning tea. She looked outside and gasped in surprise. The neighbor's clothes on the line were bright white and perfectly clean. "Wow, look at that," Clara said, a proud smile on her face. "She finally learned how to wash clothes. I wonder who taught her." David put down his paper. A gentle, knowing smile spread across his face as he looked at his wife. "Nobody taught her, Clara," David said softly. "Her clothes were always clean." Clara was confused. "What do you mean? I saw them with my own eyes. They were dirty for weeks." "I woke up early today," David explained, pointing his finger at the big window right in front of them. "And I finally washed our window." Clara stopped talking. She looked closely at the glass. It was crystal clear. The dirt she had been seeing on her neighbor's clothes was actually dirt on her own window all along. What we see in others often reflects what is inside ourselves. If our own perspective is clouded by anger, jealousy, or negativity, we will only see flaws in the people around us. Before you criticize someone else, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, am I looking at this clearly? Or am I looking through the smudges of my own assumptions? Remember, judging a person does not define who they are. It defines who you are. Before you point out the dirt in someone else's life, make sure your own window is clean.